against the quiet shore. Golden waves reach out once more. Seabirds glide on open skies. Silver clouds are drifting by. Barefoot footprints cross the sand, carved by wind instead of hands. Salt air carries peaceful songs, whispering where we belong. Time moves gently with the tide. Nothing here is left behind. Rolling waters always know how to help a new day grow. Beyond the blue horizon, new colors fill the sky. The sea keeps every secret as another day goes by. Walking with the ocean breeze, feeling calm and feeling free. The world is wide before us, just the shoreline and the sea. Driftwood resting near the bay, watching seasons fade away. Tiny shells beneath our feet turn the silence into peace. Children laughing by the waves, building castles where they play. Simple moments come and go, leaving warmth we'll always know. When the evening starts to fall, stars awaken one by one. Moonlight dancing on the tide shows tomorrow has begun. Beyond the blue horizon, new colors fill the sky. The sea keeps every secret as another day goes by. Walking with the ocean breeze, feeling calm and feeling free. The world is wide before us, just the shoreline and the sea. No rush to chase the hours, no race against the wind. The shoreline keeps reminding us where quiet days begin. The waves don't ask for anything, they simply rise and fall. Their rhythm tells a story, there's enough for one and all. Beyond the blue horizon, morning finds its way again. Rolling tides keep moving forward like a never-ending friend. Walking where the seabirds fly, watching sunlight kiss the tide. Home is more than where we started, it's the peace we find inside. Blue horizon, gentle sea, carry every wandering heart home again. Window frames a painted land, golden rails beneath the wheels. Fields are fading into lines, time is measured by the miles. Coffee cooling by my side, quiet faces passing lives. Old reflections cross the glass like forgotten photographs. Nothing waits forever, nothing stays the same. Still the track keeps turning, calling out my name. Meet me at the next station, where tomorrow starts again. Different streets and different voices, welcoming the wandering. Soon Tiny rooftops drift away, smoke is rising through the rain. Children wave from wooden fences, moments vanish without traces. Autumn colors fill the hills, rust and amber standing still. Someone smiles across the aisle, making silence worthwhile. No one owns the distance, no one owns the road, yet the moving landscape feels a bit like home. Meet me at the next station, where tomorrow starts again. Different streets and different voices, welcoming the wandering. Suitcases full of stories, pocket maps that lost their lines. One more stop becomes a memory long before goodbye arrives. No hurry for the ending, no race against the night. Lanterns glow beyond the platform like quiet pieces of the sky. The whistle fades behind us, another chapter turns. Sometimes all we're searching for is found where we return. Meet me at the next station, where the journey keeps its song. Every mile becomes a heartbeat, leading gently all along. Open doors and open windows, fresh beginnings softly bloom. Every track becomes a promise, waiting somewhere just beyond. Rolling onward, steel and timber. Another sunrise, another station. Morning light across the fields, every little flower heals. Golden sunshine paints the air, life is blooming everywhere. Gentle rivers find their way through the colors of the day. Every leaf begins to shine, keeping perfect rhythm time. Listen close, the world can sing. Every season starts to bring simple moments, bright and true. Every dream begins with you. Under the open sky we grow, following the winds that blow. Every heartbeat keeps believing, every sunrise has a meaning. Take a step and you will see, life is more than you can dream. Hand in hand we're moving higher, keeping hope forever brighter. City roads and mountain streams, different paths, the very same dreams. Every window, every tree shares a quiet melody. Little changes every day guide our footsteps on the way. When we care for all around, hope is growing from the ground. Every smile can plant a seed, giving someone what they need. One small light can lead us through, bringing something bright and new. Under the open sky we grow, following the winds that blow. and hope forever brighter. When the rain begins to fall, nature answers every call. After every cloudy day, golden light will find its way. Take your time, don't look behind. Every road is yours to find. Together we can always grow. More than yesterday we know. Under the open sky we grow, watching every garden glow. Every river keeps on flowing, every little dream is growing. Keep that forest standing tall, there is room enough for all. Every voice becomes tomorrow, filled with joy instead of sorrow. Under the open sky we stand, building hope with open hands. Every season keeps reminding life is beautiful together. Oh, let the morning rise, blue and endless skies. Every step and every day, nature shows a better way. Oh, here we go, growing under skies aglow. Morning colors on the hills, tiny rivers never still. Every leaf begins to dance, giving every heart a chance. Open skies above the trees, carried softly by the breeze. Every step we take today leaves another kind of trace. If we listen, we can hear life is calling loud and clear. Every little thing we do paints tomorrow into view. Where tomorrow grows, we know. Every seed can start to glow. Hand in hand we rise together, brighter days will last forever. Keep the rivers running free, keep the forest wild to see. Every heartbeat tells a story, living for a brighter morning. City lights and mountain air, different worlds we all can share. Every window, every road carries someone's hopeful soul. Clouds are moving, seasons turn, every day there's more to learn. Small beginnings, open eyes, growing under endless skies. Every voice can make a sound, hope is growing all around. Piece by piece and day by day, we can build a better way. Where tomorrow grows, we know. Every seed can start to glow. Hand in hand we rise together, brighter days will last forever. Keep the rivers running free, keep the forest wild to see. Every heartbeat tells a story, living for a brighter morning. Take a breath, feel the wind, watch the sunlight shining in. Every ending starts again. We belong to where life begins.